By the Dragonheart Stone, I claim you as ally. Together, we fly! Yes! Feel the wind, Dracora! The skies are ours!
Human strong for meat. Where we go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an amazing AI tool called Zopia.ai, your personal AI film studio. Imagine this. You just write an idea or a simple script, and within minutes, you get a complete cinematic video with visuals, sound, characters, and storytelling. Sounds crazy, right? But yes, Zopia.ai makes it possible. Getting started, the link is available in the video description. Make sure to check it out. Once you click on the link and create your account, you will land on the dashboard like this. Now, let me walk you through everything step by step. Prompt and input options. On the main page, you will see a prompt bar. This is where the magic happens. You just need to describe what kind of video you want to create. It can be anything, cinematic scenes, ads, stories, or even YouTube content. Below that, you have the option to upload your script. You can also upload a storyboard if you already have one. This gives you more control over your video. Seedance 2.0 model, and here comes the most powerful feature. Inside the model section, you will find Seedance 2.0. Now, this is a next-level AI video model developed by ByteDance that can generate cinematic videos using text, images, audio, and even reference videos. So, make sure you select Seedance 2.0 for the best results. After clicking Generate, it will take you to the settings page. Here you can customize everything like aspect ratio for YouTube, TikTok, etc., image size, resolution, video model workflow, and style selection. Below that, you will see different generation workflows. You can select any workflow you like, then choose your visual style. For example, realistic, anime, cartoon, photographic. Once everything is selected, click on the Confirm button. AI processing. Now the AI will start processing your script. It will show you detailed information like character profiles, scene breakdown, script structure, character, and scene design. You can review everything, and once you are ready, click on Start Character and Scene Design. Now, the AI will begin working on characters. You can either upload your own characters or let the AI generate everything automatically. Storyboard generation. After that, it will ask you to generate multi-angle images for characters or start generating storyboard. I will click on Start Generating Storyboard. Now, it will create a full storyboard and timeline for the video. You will also get options like Generate Full Video, Generate Short Clips, Customize Scenes. Just choose your option and continue.
Ancient beast, I am Sir Galen, sworn to protect the realm. Submit to me or face oblivion.
Foolish human. No rider tames Dracora.
By the Dragonheart Stone, I claim you as ally. Together, we fly! Yes! Feel the wind, Dracora! The skies are ours!
Human strong for meat. Where we go.
As you can see, the video is created exactly according to my prompt, a brave knight riding a dragon across a sunset sky. The visuals look cinematic, the quality is high, and even the audio and dialogues are perfectly synced. Now let's talk about automation and monetization. Zopia.ai can work with Lobster, OpenClaw, to automate short drama or movie creation. You can post these videos on platforms like TikTok and earn through commissions. This makes it easy to turn AI videos into an income stream. If you want, you can create vertical videos with Zopia.ai. Here's how. For example, let's say I enter a prompt to generate a video. A lone hero standing on a cliff during a thunderstorm, lightning striking behind him, cape flowing in the wind, intense cinematic scene. It's that simple. Using Zopia.ai, you can create vertical videos ready for YouTube, social media, and more. Happy horse teaser. And before we wrap up, here's a quick teaser for what's coming next. Zopia.ai is going to integrate a brand new model called Happy Horse very soon. This is a high-efficiency model designed to give creators faster results with great quality at a lower cost. So stay tuned, because this is going to make content creation even more powerful and accessible. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Try Zopia.ai using the link in the description and start creating your own AI videos today.